Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT online teaching platform. At this section today we are going to discuss about coordinate geometry worksheet number 2. In my previous class already explained 1 to 6 questions in worksheet number 2. Let's go to question number 7. So which is a part of 9th class mathematics coordinate geometry. Am I clear? So here what I am given, the name of the quadrilateral formed by the points 0, -1, -2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 3. Option A parallelogram, option B rhombus, option C rectangle, option D square. So clearly we need to understand. So here what I am given, so it is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral means what? So 4 sides closed figure in a plane is called quadrilateral. It is enclosed by 4 sides. So here let us consider A, B, C, D, 3 points, A, B, C, D. Am I clear? D. So A coordinates what I am given, 0, -1. B coordinates -2, 3. C coordinates 6, 7. D coordinates 8, 3. So if it is given this type of concept, name of the quadrilateral, if it is asking name of the quadrilateral means, so first one we need to find the distance between adjacent values A and B distance, B and C distance, C and D, D and A. So finally we have to conclude the quadrilateral figure. Am I clear? So first one what I am taking, AB distance. So first one we need to find AB distance. So AB. So clearly we need to understand what is the A coordinates here. So distance formula square root of x2 minus so first one we have to take distance formula. Distance equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Also it can be expressed as square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Am I clear? So first one what you are taken, AB distance. So AB equals to square root of, what is the A coordinates? 0, -1. B coordinates -2, 3. So by using the distance formula we will get AB. Okay, so x2 minus x1. So here what I am taking x2, let me take in 0. 0 minus -2 plus 2 whole square. x2 by 2, this is x1 y1. So next one plus again y2 minus so what I am taking, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, -1 -3 whole square. So therefore this is AB coordinates. By using the AB coordinates we can find the distance between AB. Square root of 0 plus 2, 2 square plus 2 square, okay, plus -1 -3 -4 whole square. So 2 square nothing but 4, 4 square 16. What is total? -4 whole square gives positive 16. So total 20, square root of 20. So what is AB distance? AB distance equal to square root of 20. Am I clear? Next one we have to find BC distance. BC distance. So B coordinates what I am given here? B coordinates -2, 3. -2, 3. C coordinates 6, 7. 6, 7. So by using the distance formula x2 minus x1, so B terms, so x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So 6 minus into minus plus x2 minus x1 minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 7 minus 3 whole square. So therefore it can be written as, by using B and C coordinates, square root of 6 plus 2 8, 8 square plus 7 minus 3 4 square. So 8 square value 64, 4 square value 16. What is the total? Total root 80. So this is a BC value. So BC distance equal to root 80. Again we have to find CD. So what is the C coordinates here? 6, 7. And the D coordinates. So the point D coordinates 8, 3. 8, 3. So by using the distance formula, CD equals to square root of x2 minus x1, 8 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 3 minus 7 whole square. So therefore it can be written 8 minus 2, 2 square, plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 whole square. So 2 square nothing but 4 minus 4 whole square gives positive 16. Total root 20, that is a CD value. CD equals to root 20. Again we have to find dA. So D, you know that D coordinates what I am given here, 8 and 3. Okay, dA distance by using the distance form. dA coordinates 8 and 3 and A coordinates, so 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma minus 1. Am I clear? So dA by using the distance formula, square root of, so x2 minus x1, 8 minus 0 taken whole square. Here x2, a2, y2, 3, x1, 0, y1, minus 1, plus y2, 3 minus into minus plus 1 whole square. So therefore it can be written as square root of 8 minus 0, 8 square, plus 3 plus 1, 4 square. So 8 square 64, square root of 64, 4 square 16, total root 80. So that is a dA distance, AD or dA. So clearly we need to understand, so in that question, so already getting 4 distance, AB, BC, CD and DA. So what is the distances? AB distance root 20, BC distance root 80, CD distance root 20, again DA distance root 80. So what I am getting, opposite sides are equal. So if opposite sides are equal, all sides are not equal, nothing but B and D options are eliminate them, because in rhombus or square all sides are equal. So what is the answer, either parallelogram or rectangle, you don't know. Again if in parallelogram or rectangle opposite sides are equal and parallel, but in rectangle diagonals are equal, in parallelogram diagonals are not equal. Again we have to find diagonals. So here what is the diagonals? AC and BD are diagonals. Am I clear? So AD, so we need to find the distance between AC and BD. So if it is equal, rectangle, not equal, nothing but parallelogram. That is next checking. So first one what I am taking, AC distance. Okay, so distance between AC by using the distance formula. But here A coordinates what I am given, 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 1, C coordinate 6, 7, 0 comma minus 1, C coordinates 6 comma 7. Am I clear? C coordinate 6 comma 7, A coordinate 0 comma minus 1. By using the distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1. So here what is x2? So A coordinates x1, y1, C coordinates x2, y2. So nothing but x2, 6 minus 0 whole square, x2 minus x1 plus y2, 7 minus plus 1 whole square. So it can be written as 6 square, 6 minus 0, nothing but 6 square, plus 7 plus 1, 8 square. So 6 square value 36, 8 square value 64. So what is the total? Total is 100. Square root of 100 nothing but 10. So what is the AC distance? 10. And similarly we have to find BD distance also. BD also diagonal. So AC, one of the diagonals, AC equal to 10, and again we have to find BC. So what is the B coordinates here? So B coordinates what I am given? Minus 2 comma 3 and the D coordinates 8 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3, D coordinates 8 comma 3. Am I clear? So B coordinates minus 2 comma 3, D coordinates 8 comma 3. So by using the distance formula, square root of, so D coordinates x2, y2, B coordinates minus x1, y1. So x2 minus x1 whole square, nothing but what is x2 value? 8. Minus into minus plus 2 whole square. Am I clear? 8 minus 2, minus into minus plus whole square, plus 3 minus 3 whole square. By using B and D coordinates. So BD equals to square root of 8 plus 2, 10 whole square, but here 3 minus 3 nothing but 0 whole square. So 10 square value 100, 0 square value 0, nothing but 100. What is the value? Square root of 100, 10. So BD equals to 10. So here diagonals are AC and BD both are equals to 10, nothing but diagonals are equal. So in that figure, diagonals are equal, opposite sides are equal. That given quadrilateral forms a rectangle. Option C is right answer. But in parallelogram, diagonals are not equal. But what I am getting here, BD and AC distances are equal, nothing but 10. Am I clear? So clearly we need to understand. So name of the quadrilateral formed by the 4 points is rectangle. Option C is right answer. Have a look at question number 8. Name of the quadrilateral formed by the points 3, 2, 0, 5, minus 3, 2, 0, -1. Option A parallelogram, option B rhombus, option C rectangle, option D square. So what I am given here, so 4 sides closed figure, nothing but, so a 4 sides closed figure, nothing but quadrilateral. Here quadrilateral mentioned. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. Am I clear? So here 4 points are given. So that is ABCD. A coordinates what I am given here 3, 2. B coordinates 0, 5. C coordinates -3, 2. And D coordinates 0, -1. By using the distance formula, first one you need to find AB, BC, CD and DA distances. Because if you don't know the distance, how to guess the quadrilateral cons exactly. So first one we have to find the AB distance. By using the distance, what is the distance formula? Distance equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Am I clear? So first one you need to find the AB distance. So AB distance. So here what is the A coordinates? A coordinates are 3, 2. B coordinates are 0, 5. So this is the coordinates AB. A coordinates x1, y1. B coordinates x2, y2 has taken. So by using the distance formula, how will get AB distance? Square root of x2 0 minus 3 whole square plus y2 5 minus 2 whole square. Am I clear? So therefore it can be written as -3 whole square, 0 minus 3 -3 whole square plus 5 minus 2 3 square. So therefore -3 whole square gives positive 9, 3 square plus 3 square nothing but 9. So total 18, square root of 18, that is AB distance. Am I clear? So what is AB distance? Root 18. Again similarly we have to find BC distance between BC and CD and DA. So BC. So BC distance. So by using the coordinates, B coordinates what I am given here. So B coordinates 0, 5 and C coordinates -3, 2. -3, 2. By using the B and C coordinates, we will get BC, distance between BC. What is the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here what I am taken, B coordinates what I am taken x2, y2. BC coordinates x1, yn. So 0 minus -3 plus 3 whole square x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 minus into minus plus whole square plus y2 5 minus 2 whole square. So it can be written as square root of 0 plus 3 3 square plus 5 minus 2 3 square. So square root of 3 square 9 plus 3 square 9. What is the total? 18. So BC distance also 18. Again we have to find distance between CD. So clearly we need to understand how we'll get CD distance. C coordinates what I'm given here. So C coordinates -3, 2 and D coordinates 0, -1. 0, -1. So by using the C and D coordinates, so how we'll get CD distance? By using the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square root of. So square root of x2 minus x1. So 0 minus -3 plus 3 whole square. So x2 x1 0 and -1. D coordinates x2 x1. Sorry, x2 y2. C coordinates x1 y1. So 0 minus -3 plus 3 whole square plus y2 -1 minus 2 whole square. So therefore it can be written, so 0 plus 3 nothing but 3 whole square. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 whole square. So 3 square, square root of 3 square value 9 minus 3 whole square gives positive 9. What is the total? 18. So CD also 18. CD also 18. CD equals to 18. Again we have to find DA. D and A by using the coordinates. So what is the D coordinates? 0, comma, minus 1 and A coordinates. A coordinates, what I am given? 3, comma 2. 3, comma 2. So by using the distance formula, so dA equals to, it can be written square root of x2 minus x1. So here D coordinates x1, y1 taken, A coordinate x2, y2. So x2 nothing but 3 minus x1, 0 whole square plus y2, 2 minus minus 1 plus 1 whole square. So it can be written 3 minus 0 nothing but 3 square, 2 plus 1, 3 whole square, square root of 3 square plus 3 square, square root of 3 square 9, again 3 square 9. What is the total? 18. So dA also 18. So all sides what I am getting? 18 equals to 18, nothing but square root of 18, square root of 18. So clearly we need to observe what I am given: AB root 18, BC root 18, CD root 18 and DA also root 18. All sides are equal, nothing but here parallelogram and rectangle are failed because opposite sides are equal. But in the rhombus all sides are equal, in the square all sides are equal. So again we have to verify diagonals. So here which one is diagonals? AC and BD are diagonals. So again you can find the distance between AC and BD and say answer. So clearly we need to understand what is the difference between rhombus and square. In rhombus and square all sides are equal, but in rhombus all diagonals are not equal. In square diagonals are equal. Again we have to find diagonals. So diagonals. So by using the first AC, distance between AC equal to square root of, here what is the A coordinates? A coordinates what I am given? 3, 2. 3, 2 and C coordinates minus 3 and 2. Minus 3 and 2. So by using the A and C coordinates we will get distance between AC. So what is the distance formula? By using the distance square root of x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x1? What I am taken here? x2 minus 3. Or here x2 what I am taken? A coordinates x2 y2, C coordinates x1 y1. So 3 minus 3, minus into minus plus 3 whole square. So 3 minus 3, 3 minus into minus plus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square. So it can be written as 3 plus 3, 9 whole square, sorry 6 whole square, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 whole square plus 2 minus 2, 0 whole square. So this is 36, square root of 36 nothing but 6. What is the AC distance? 6. Am I clear? Again we have to find BD distance between AD. So what is the B coordinates here? B coordinates what I am given in the question 0, 5. D coordinate 0, minus 1. 0, 5. D coordinates 0, minus 1. Am I clear? So clearly we need to understand what is the by using B and D coordinates. So B coordinates what I am taken here x2 y2, D coordinates x1 y1. 0 minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus into minus plus 1 whole square. So it can be written square root of 0 minus 0, 0 whole square, 0 plus 0 whole square plus this is 5 plus 1, 6 whole square. So 0 plus 0 nothing but is 0, 6 square 36. So BD equals to 36, therefore BD equals to 6. So here diagonals what I am getting? 6. Both diagonals AC equal to 6 as well as BD also 6. So nothing but diagonals also equal. If diagonals are equal, that given figure is, the given quadrilateral is square. Option D is right answer. because in rhombus diagonals are not equal. So what I am getting, AC diagonal 6, BD diagonal also 6, both diagonals are equal. So nothing but given a quadrilateral is square. By using the points 3 to 0, 5, minus 3 to again 0, minus 1 form square. Am I clear?